Okay. Instead, if I am doing, anyone want to give a try? Anyone want to give a try to deploy the same thing what we had discussed? We will just deploy it and see how things is in it. Lalit, Charan, Krupa, any one of you? Praveen, Praveen. Lalit, you want to give a try?
Sure, sir.
Sure. So what exactly today we will be trying it? We will try a concept of VPC peering. VPC peering means what exactly that? It means two different VPCs are there, and we will try to communicate to configure that VPC. So what exactly actually that scenario is? That scenario is basically sometimes in organization what happen, a single VPC is not able to suffice the need, or sometimes what happen also that we might need something to like to have in such a level that we will configure it in depth or in dense. Okay, and customers are expecting that okay, only why we are sufficing only to one server, let's have the two server. So we will be create two VPCs, then we will going to generate a communication in between those VPCs itself. Once the communication is generated, then we will see our EC2 instances are reaching over there or not. So those are two networks. So let's try creating it. Start sharing your screen. I will guide you how you have to go it, and then we will see. Go ahead. Enter the code you might have gotten. This is the event which AWS organized, AWS reInvent. It actually launched in 2017 or 18. So what exactly they do in this reInvent AI reInvent episode? They will go and check on that. Not go and check. Sorry, they will actually talk about what is something new is coming in their way. So that's the reason this thing is that I have discussed in the beginning of sessions. Have you created a new account? What happened? Why it is again checking your identity? Fine. Now let's first go to the VPC. Try to change the region. Yeah, let it be in Mumbai only. We'll keep it in Mumbai. Keep it in Mumbai. First, plug your laptop with charger because it won't survive till 1 hour. So plus plug it with the charger quickly.
1 minute.
Hmm. Now let's do one thing. First, go to the VPC. VPC. Click over there and go to create VPC. As of now, this does not have any VPC, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now give a name. Name as Lalit VPC or whatever you feel. Just give it that name. Give it as a range of 192. Let's give 192. See it is there or not. Dot 168 dot 0 dot 0 slash 16. Just try to give this range. It is there. Okay, I think it is there. Fine. Now add a tag's name and then add a tag of email. Email. And enter the email ID. Click on create VPC. Fine. So now VPC got created. Now what you have to do is create a subnet. Okay. Create a subnet. Okay. Now click on create subnet. Okay. Now VPC. Okay. Now what is given name? Make it public. Okay. Good. I hope everyone in the call now able to understand how these IPs are getting allocated. Add one more. Add one more over here only. Okay, 2 is fine. Now just create a subnet. Now, now first create an internet gateway. Email. Fine. Now what exactly it is showing? The following internet gateway was created and not attached. So just click on attach to VPC. Just select a VPC. Let's attach. Okay. Now go and create a route table. Give it a name. Okay. Select a VPC. Create a route table. Okay. First create it, then we will do association. Yeah. Create another one. First create it. Okay. Enter an email and enter tick, whatever you have, and click on create route table. Fine. Now go to again route tables and select the public one first. Lalit public. Yes. Now scroll it a bit from the down. And now click subnet association and then click on added subnet association. Okay. And it is a public route table. So what you have to choose it? You have to use public subnet association. Okay. Now save it as save association. So that part is done. Now what exactly you have to do it? Anyone? What exactly you have to done it, Lalit? What do you have to do now?
Now we have to associate private subnet,
Okay.
sir.
Before private also what you have to done into public subnet. Before going to private, one thing is still pending over here, right? You have to define an internet gateway, right? Internet way you have to define. So just
Yes,
click
sir.
on add internet edit routes, and click on add route. Okay. Pass the parameters of internet gateway. Select and just pass it the internet gateway and click on save changes. Click on save changes. Okay. Same way. Now go to again route table. Okay. Again go to route tables and select private, private, and select on subnet association. Okay. Now do add. Okay. So this time private should be there and do save association. Okay. So as of now, we are not dealing with the NAT gateway. So we don't want it as of now. We will keep public only. We just keep it if in case we want to deliver. Fine. So now what happened? VPC created, subnet created, internet created. Just click on your VPC again. Your VPC, just click. Okay. Just give it as a name, Lalit VPC 1. Lalit VPC 1, yeah. Oh, hyphen 1 or something. Yes. Now just create another VPC into the same region only you create. Here only. Let's see to create it and give the naming convention. Give this time the series of 10, 10.000 you give 10.000/16. Okay. Now create email.
Great.
Add it up. Okay. 10.000. Okay. Create the subnets now. Okay. Give it as a name. Make it as 2 in this scenario now because now it is second one, right? So let subnet hyphen public 2, something like that. So you can recognize it. Okay. Okay. Add the range. 24. Right. Add a new tag. Okay. Add one more subnet. Okay. 10.10.0.1.0/24. Fine. Go to the tag email and enter the click on create subnet. Okay. Now click on route tables. Before that, click on internet gateway. Okay. Create. Um, create one more internet gateway. Lalit. Internet gateway 2 you mentioned.
Yes, sir.
Add a tag. Okay. Tag Lalit signing. And click on create internet gateway. Fine. Attach to a VPC. Right side only. Okay. And select the VPC. Lalit VPC 2 and attach it. Okay. Now click on route tables. Route tables. Okay. And click on create route tables. Okay. Select the VPC. Add a new tag. Email. And then enter a value. And just click on create route table. So this is your second VPC which you are creating. So public is done, right? Create another route table. And this time pass Lalit hyphen table private. Select a VPC. Add a tag. And just pass the value. Okay. Click on create route table. So now go to okay. So two VPCs got created, right? Just check how many route tables you created. Public and private both created, right? Just click
Yes,
on
sir.
route table. Click on route tables. Okay. Okay. So association have not been done. So for select for the public first. Route to public. Yes. Go over there. Okay. Make association. Add subnet association and add the public one. Okay. Save association. Edit the routes also. Just add it. Internet. Okay. Just select on route tables again. And select on private. Select downside. And subnet association. Click on added subnet association and select private. Save association. Okay. So this is also done. Now what happened? Now you go to VPC. Select on your VPC. So what exactly it is showing? Refresh it. Refresh it. Yeah. Lalit 1, Lalit 2. Two VPCs got created. Okay. So now once VPCs got created, means two networks is got created, we have to now check the communication between the instances. Okay, whether two different instances from two different networks are getting connected or not. So that is the scenario what we have to try it. So what exactly you have to do it now? Go and search for EC2 instance. Go and search for EC2 instance. Okay, start building up one EC2 instance over here first. Start building up one EC2 instance over here. Click on launch instance and give it as a name as Lalit hyphen EC2 Lalit instance in VPC, something like, which is we note that it is for VPC1. Okay, hyphen instance, give name as an instance, hyphen instance. Okay, keep it as, let's try with Windows. Select Windows in this scenario. Okay, go down. Okay, create a key pair and try. Okay, go above, go above, go above. Click on add it. Click on add it. First, now you have to select the VPC1. So arrow down and take Lalit VPC1. Okay. Take the subnet, choose to public. Wait a minute. Can you go again? Can you go again to the subnet? Uh, what is that PB? PB means it is public or private you have
It's
named?
public, sir.
Okay, public only. Okay, fine. Select it. Okay, and make it as the enable. Okay, and create a security group. Give it as security group VPC1 security group. VPC1. Then only you can able to recognize, right? Okay, and then just mention in description the security group have been created. The security group have been created. Remove this part. Yeah, the security group have been created. For security group having for VPC1, something like that. You can mention it for VPC1. Okay. Uh, remove the rule. We will add it again. Let's remove it. Default one. Okay. Go down. The rest is fine. Can you scroll up a bit more? One more time. Top. Go to top, top, top. Okay. Linux is created. Now my Windows is created. 2000 data center. Verified provider. That's fine. Click on launch instance. Click on launch instance. Key you already have downloaded, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now what happened meantime this is running. Let's again create one EC2 instance. Let's again create one more EC2 instance, but this time you should be choosing VPC2. VPC2. So click on launch instance, give it as a name. VPC2. EC2 instance. Select Windows. Select Windows. Go down. Okay. Create a key pair login. Mention it as VPC2, EC2, something like that, which is able to recognize. Click on create key pair. Okay. Now edit the network settings. This time VPC2 you have to check in. Yes. Select subnet, change it to what is the name? I've given a name. Okay, select
This one.
downward. Yeah, 10.0.0.1. But give the name next time in a way where you will also able to like correlate, right? Both are looking
Yes.
private only. Until unless you are not reading the IP. Okay, make it as enable. Make it as enable. Okay, create a security group for this one also. Just give it as this part. Define description. Sorry. Okay. Remove default one. Okay, and click on fine. Click on launch instances. Click on launch instances. Just go to your EC2 instances. Okay, go to instances, and still it is just reload it. Okay. First open this one, Lalit VPC EC2 one. Okay. Check the IP. Check the IP. Okay. So to connect Windows, what exactly we have to do it? We have to create a password. So click on connect. Click on connect. Okay. Click on RDP client. Okay. Go down. Go down. Go down. Click on get password. Okay. Upload the key. Okay. Pass that key. Okay. Decrypt the password. Okay. So copy this password. Open a notepad and keep this detail: public IP, username, and password, and mention it. This is VPC1 details. VPC1 EC2 instance details. EC2 detail. Enter the keep at IP, then password and username. First, we already copied password, so keep password. Okay, give IP. Okay, okay, and the username. Username. Okay, just enter another part, VPC EC2. Next queue you create. Meantime, it is going up. VPC2 EC2. Okay, take the IP. Password and the username. Pass username as administrator. Administrator. Fine. Now, now start accessing these boxes. So first access EC1. Sorry, VPC1, EC2. No, not don't use this one. Use M remote ng today. Let's try M remote ng. Ask me again later. Click on connection and right click, connections downside. There only. No. New connection is there, no? Yes. Just select over there. Give this name. Now config section open. Just go to downside. See downside, yeah. And this one first give a new connection. Name you can change it with EC2 VPC1 or VPC1 EC2, whatever you give. One. Okay. That is done. Now enter the host name. Host name you select. Host name or IP. What is that? That is your server IP, right? So 13.1.13 something like that. Yeah, take it this one. Set. Okay. Not getting copy. Just do a right click and do copy. Right click, copy, and now paste it. Username, pass it administrator. Pass it, paste it. Okay. Now copy the password, which we just now created. Same way. Control Z, do Control Z, do Control Z. Now first copy it. Just right click, copy. Okay, go down a little bit. Is your system is lagging or why? What happened? Very slow. It's started doing. Okay. Now first try to access it. This one. Just click on EC2. Just click on EC2 VPC1. Just click on EC2 one. Yes, and connect it. Okay. So why that is happening? Because we have not defined other rule over there. So just go to
Yes,
the
sir.
cloud. RDP disconnect. You can't just go to again what you have added over there into the security groups. Mm. Where you have added into VPC2, right? But this box you are accessing VPC1.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, right. Fine, able to connect it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now again create a new connection and connect and create for VPC2 now. Okay, so now what happened? Both of the EC2 instances have been communicated, like able to access it, right?
Yes,
So this is
right.
what we did. This is we have initiated the RDP connection for the Windows box. Now let's go to EC2 VPC1 and open a command prompt. EC2 VPC1 and open a command prompt and just type CMD. Just type CMD. Okay, and just open it, and from here just type a command called ping, P-I-N-G, ping, and take the IP of EC2 VPC2. Means second one there only, no, you have in notepad. Just take from there. That's the reason.
Okay, sir.
Notepad. Hmm. Take the IP of this, yes, and just pass this one over there. So over there and paste it. Paste it. Enter. Okay, so this what exactly stating it that we are not able to, within same region we are not able to reach to that particular IP, right? Which IP? This is an IP of EC2 instance of VPC2, right? The people, everyone over the call. What it is showing? 100% loss. Can you just highlight that part? 100% loss. It means I'm not able to reach from VPC1 network to VPC2 network. Now, same try with VPC2 instance also. Go to EC2 VPC2. Okay, and open command prompt CMD. Open command prompt and pass same that ping command. And now which IP you have to take? You have to take the
190.
first one. Yeah, the first one. Take that IP and just pass it. Just take the IP and just pass it over here. Enter. Okay, so what exactly it is happening? Again, we are not able to reach to the server. So means when I'm trying to reach from EC2 instance ones, which is getting created or located into VPC1, if I'll try to pass, it won't go. The same thing when I'm passing from VPC2 also, instance ones. So that is also not happening. Okay, so here we see the problem, right? Here we see the problem. What is the problem? The two different networks is not getting communicated with each other, right? So in this particular scenario, what is going to be happen? We will be using a VPC peering. We will be using a VPC peering concept. Okay. What is that VPC peering concept? It means it is now going to associate two different networks into this range or into this zone. So everyone are able to understand the problem first. That what exactly the problem? The problem is over here. Two different networks within a same region is not getting connected, right? Any doubt first till now here to anyone? People over the call. Anyone have till any doubt over here? Shravani, Charan, Praveen, Venkat, Lalit, and rest of the two which names I'm not able to see right now. Are you able to get the problem statement?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. What about others apart from Lalit? Okay, Praveen, yes sir. What else? Who else? Venkat, Shravani, Shravani, Charan, Krupa. Is Krupa is there? The call. Venkat, Girish. Fine. Okay. So now what exactly you have to done it? Now we will go and map these networks. Let's go to your AWS cloud again. Go to your AWS cloud again. Okay. And now again go to into the services, search for VPC only. Go into the services. Go into VPC. Okay, one more thing, one more thing. Now every time what you have to do it, you have to search it. So on top of VPC, you have a star button. Just select that star. Select that star. Okay, now came out. So VPC will reflect on your dashboard itself now on the left side. See over here only it is showing. So
Yes, sir.
whatever, yeah. So whatever service you want to use it, or you will be a regular user, so you can just click mark it as star. So it will reflect on the top itself. Okay. So now select from there only VPC. Make it close this part. Close it. Close it. Select VPC. Okay, selecting VPC once is there. Now just go down and see for VPC pairing. Somewhere it will be there in the left, 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 left. Just go down, more down. Peering connection.
Yes.
So just select this peering connection. Okay. So what exactly it is showing that okay, we don't have any peering connection right now. Just click on create peering connection. Click create peering connection and just give a name. Give it as Lalit peering connection. Lalit hyphen peering hyphen connection hyphen. Or do one thing, just follow the Python methodology. So you guys will be having the understanding when you will go for Python. So make it as Lalit underscore peering underscore connection. It's like a name you are defined, name is there, is a key, and value you are creating Lalit peering underscore connection. So same formulation we use in Python also. Okay. So who will be the requester ID? Like who actually want to do it? So let's take first VPC1 because I will want to do from VPC1. This is the requester. Okay. Now go down. It is asking select another VPC to pair with. See, hold on. Even though I can able to connect to another accounts also. Like for example, this is Lalit account. Go to the right side completely, Lalit. Right side of the screen of console AWS and where your name is showing Lalit Sani on top, right? Click on
Yes,
over
sir.
there. Just click over there. So this is the account ID he have 491085395309. It means this is one account ID. Let's say Charan is there and he have one account ID that is the 492030 whatever it will be. So what happened? Two account IDs will be there, and if they both want to click it, they both want to also make a connection. Let's say they are doing some combined project and they both are telling that okay, whatever cost is coming we will bear with our accounts only, right? So in that particular scenario also we can do it, fine. But as of now we are taking a scenario of my account only. We will see in another account also when you guys already created few of the VPCs in your network. Okay, now come back, sorry. So it is showing that okay where you want to see it. So as of now it is showing two region, this region, another region. So as of now we have created VPCs within region, but there is a scenario will come where we will be able to create or add it into two different regions also. Okay, two different regions means one is Mumbai, one is Sydney. Okay, so now just add a VPC ID over there, acceptor. So you have the requester is VPC1, so acceptor will be VPC2, right? Then only it is going to be associated. Now this is done. Now do a creation of another tag, name is created, and try email, pass email, and yes, pass the value over here. techlalitsani121@gmail.com. Okay. And now click on create peering connection. Click create peering connection. Okay. So what is it is showing? You can accept or reject this for using the action menus you have until okay. So click on actions, right side. Yes. Accept the request because I want it. Just say accept request. So just click on accept request. Accept request. Okay. So what exactly it happened? Scroll down, go down button. We see over here, it is showing requester and protection. So what exactly it is showing? Your VPC connection has been established. To send and receive traffic across this VPC connection, you must add a route to the VPC peering in one another mode of your DAO. So click on modify route tables now. Click on modify my route tables now. What exactly it is stating that we need to add the association now. Before that it won't be working. So what exactly we'll do it? First, take the public subnet route table of VPC1. The naming convention you've given so confusing. It is not able to like understand also.
Understand?
Next
Okay,
time
sir.
on, yeah, next time give a very proper name. Okay, see, definitely it is bit confusing. Just click on the public route table of VPC1. Okay, public route table of VPC1.
Yes, sir.
This is VPC1 only, right?
Yes, sir.
Go inside it, routes. Go inside it, routes. Okay, and go to the edit routes. Go to edit routes. There only. Okay, now click on add route. Add route. Okay, just select over there in the arrow down. See anything is there. Wait, see anything is there in a VPC right side, right side. As of now, I don't want to require right side. VPC pairing. And this one is something is there. There only arrow down is there. No, after internet gateway. This one. Just select. See something is VPC pairing is there.
Yes, sir.
Pairing
VPC.
connection is selected. And yes, just see what is the pairing connection it is showing. It is there or not? Yeah, it is there. Lalit pairing connection. Or this is your VPC1, right? This is your
Yes,
VPC1.
sir.
So what will be your source now? It should be the 10.01. So give that IP over there into the left. 10 dot 10.0 dot 0 dot 0 dot 0 slash 16. 16. Fine. Now save the changes. Save the changes. Okay. Now go to the route table of the VPC2 route table public. Go over there. We say to route table public. Okay. And then again follow the same thing. This time you have to enter the VPC1 IP. So just take peering connection first. Okay, pass the peering connection and just pass the IP. What was there? Remember 192, I think something was there. 168.0.0. I think that was only 0.0/16. Okay, and then save the changes. Okay, so what exactly we done? We have configured both of the ways. So let's try pinging again. If that is working or not. If not, then we might need to see where exactly the issue is happening. Ping it. Okay, request timeout. Just go to VPC1. Let's go to VPC1 again. Well, on top only it is open, right? Yes. Just try to ping from here also to see communication for this answer. Okay, not working. So just do one thing. Go to security groups. Go to security groups. And security group of VPC1 first go. Let's see whether firewalls is blocking or not. Okay, and now go to security groups. Just search for security group into the left. No, just search on the top. No, on the search bar you just search security group. Lalit, what you are doing? VPC group is
But
not part of security group service, right? Search on the top. Yes, there you search security group. Oh, okay. I was talking on mute actually. Click on edit inbound rules. Okay, click on add rule. Select it and then select ICMP4. Yes, on downside only, not custom. It is like all ICMP downside 111 all ICMP4. Yes, and just make it as again change it to my IP. Change it to my IP. Okay. Now again click add rule. Click again add rule. Okay. Select over there. Then again just pass all traffic. All traffic downside. Okay. Make it my IP again. Okay. Save the rule. Save the rules. Now again do one thing. Go to another security group of SG2. SG2 selected. Click on add rules. Add edit inbound rule. Okay. Pass another add rule over there and pass it the all ICMP all ICMP4. Okay, change it to my IP. Again, change it, take the this one and change it to the this one, all traffic. Make it my IP and then save the rules. Okay, and then done. Again, go and try into box to see whether it is working or not. If it is working or not, enter. Interesting. Interesting. Go to EC VPC2. VPC2. Okay. VPC2. There only, no? Control C and then let's check it. Okay. Enter. Okay. Go again VPC1. VPC1 and VPC1. Okay. And just search for firewall. Just search for firewall if any firewall is on or not. Here only in the machine itself. Just search for firewall in search section. Firewall and network protection. Okay, select it. Firewall and network selections. Okay. Firewall is on. Just try to close this firewall to see. Firewall. Just okay. Close this one. Just search for firewall again. Just search for firewall. Okay, and Windows Defender Firewall. Just click on Windows Defender Firewall. You just click on, and yes, on the left side, just check on Turn Windows Defender Firewall and now left side, left only, Lalit. Yeah. Okay, and just select it. Okay, make it turn off Windows Defender Firewall. Turn off. Downside also turn off. Make it okay. Make it okay, and just close it. Just close it. Just close. Okay, and try to ping from here once. Let's to see. Close this one. Ping it again. Okay, fine. Go over there. EC2 VPC2. EC2 VPC2. Ping from here once. Ping from here once. Okay, fine. Do one thing. From here also block the firewalls. Whatever it is there. Firewall. Okay, and just Windows Defender Firewall. Okay, onto the left. Just disable the firewall. Not this one. Yes, Windows Defender Firewall. Windows Defender Firewall. Yes, and just click on left, turn Windows, and just turn off, and just okay. Fine. Just try to make a request now. Let's see. And ping 1331. Okay, in Windows ping will work or not. Just type ping 000. Just type ping 00. Control C. Ping, and then type 00000 0 dot
Zero.
0.0.0, and then enter. I think IP transmit fail, general failure. Okay, fine. So what you guys will do? Okay, I think with Windows there are some more things we need to do it because communication part. Just create two more EC2 instances. Don't delete this setup. This won't add any cost and all. Just make it stop. Okay, Lalit.
Okay, sir.
So what you guys have to do it? Create two EC2 instances in Linux also. Fine, and the team rest of the students also. You just also replicate what exactly it have been done, and after that create two Linux EC2 instances and try to ping to both of the server because there will be no firewall communication break-in. In Windows, we might have to add some more rules over there. So I will check and add on that part. Okay. So just give a try. Fine. And then we will see what exactly happens. So what you have to do it using same VPCs, VPC1 and VPC2, just create the what we call the EC2 instances.
Okay,
Fine.
sir.
Rest of the students also, please create this thing. Okay, and then we will see where exactly it is getting stuck, and we will fix it because it is a big lab, so definitely something might need to reconfigure or check it out. Fine.
Okay,
Fine.
sir.
We will meet into the tomorrow class. I'm getting late. Thank you, everyone.